Are you ready to build a faceless YouTube channel in just 24 hours using free AI tools? This is the ultimate guide to YouTube automation. AI YouTube automation allows you to create high-quality, monetizable videos without ever showing your face or using your own voice. It's the key to passive income. A faceless channel is exactly what it sounds like. A channel where the creator remains anonymous, relying on voiceovers, text, stock footage, and graphics for content delivery. Our 24-hour challenge breaks down the entire process from zero to published video, focusing exclusively on free, powerful AI tools that make content creation fast and easy. Let's start with the first phase, setting up your channel and selecting a profitable niche. These are the foundations of your success. Setting up your channel only takes about 5 minutes. Just follow the standard YouTube process, focusing on a clear channel name and basic branding. To ensure long-term income, you need an evergreen, high-demand niche. Think health, finance, personal development, or technology trends. This is where AI truly shines. We'll use AI to generate endless video ideas and write compelling scripts in minutes. Use free large language models like ChatGPT. Prompt it to brainstorm 20 potential video titles in your niche that are attention-grabbing and solve a common problem. Once you have your winning title, ask the AI to generate a full, engaging script. Make sure to specify the tone and structure, like including a hook and a call to action. Next, we gather the visual and audio elements for our video. This is the visual proof that AI automation can look professional and captivating. For visuals, you can source free stock footage and images from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Search for clips that perfectly illustrate the points in your AI-generated script. Use free AI text-to-speech generators to convert your script into a natural-sounding voiceover. This completely eliminates the need for you to record your own audio. Now it's time to bring all the pieces together: the script, the voiceover, and the visuals. This process is surprisingly straightforward. Use a simple, free video editor like DaVinci Resolve, or even the basic video editor on your computer to layer the voiceover and match it with the relevant stock footage clips. Don't forget to add free, non-copyrighted background music and sound effects to enhance engagement. The right audio elevates the entire video quality. The final stage is crucial for discoverability. We must optimize the video to ensure YouTube's algorithm finds our content and pushes it to the right audience. Use free AI image generators to create a compelling, high-click thumbnail that stands out. Pair this with a high-impact title generated back in the scripting phase. Write an SEO-optimized description using keywords relevant to your topic. Also, use the AI to generate a comprehensive list of tags to maximize visibility. In summary, we used free AI for niche selection, idea generation, scripting, voiceovers, and asset creation. The entire workflow is designed for maximum efficiency. The strategy for scaling involves batch producing content. Aim to create and upload 3 to 5 videos per week using this automated process to maximize your passive income potential. Congratulations, you've published your first video in under 24 hours. But this is just the beginning.